Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another video. My name's Courtney, and today we're going to be talking about Prizerebel and how you can use it every single day to make money online. If you're interested, make sure you click the link in the description below. They give you a bonus for signing up using my link. So, Prizerebel is right here. We're going to go over what all these things mean, how you can make $5 per day every single day, making $35 a week in extra income. That's another stream of income on your 9 to 5. And I'm going to break down my formula that I used to use every single day to make money. So you'll see over here, it says I have 65 points. Every point is worth 1 penny. So I have 65 cents. Everybody has a daily challenge every day. Okay. I have to reach 97 points today and earn 5 points and one raffle ticket. If I do that for 5 days, then I get 30 bonus points. You have different levels. My next level, I need to achieve 3,174 points to the next reward. Okay. Um, these are surveys. If you do 6 of these 72 point surveys a day, plus we're going to get into the offers page, you will make $5 a day. You can, after you do your 6 surveys, you can come over to the Revenue Universe page, the Ascend page, the AdGate page, or the Toro X. Those are the ones I use. I don't really use AT Studios, My Chips, or InBrain. You can if you want. These videos are what I watch. I let them run while I'm doing errands, and they earn you points in the background for watching ads. Okay. So you can earn $5 every single day. If you're looking to start a subscription or something like that, then you can go and search these like AdGate. Um, and sometimes they have um, different things. Like if I was looking for a VPN, you get $7.25 back. Okay. Um, if you want to use care.com, you get 1.4K points. Okay. So you have to require an annual, quarterly, or monthly subscription. Okay. If you're going to do that anyway, why not get paid for it? You get, um, you visit the website and click to receive your reward. They'll give you 41 cents for this. But it's always a good idea if you're looking for a new subscription. Usually, I think uh, I think Revenue Universe is the best for this. If you're looking for a subscription, like if you want to start HBO Max, why not get money back for it? Let me see. If you just search, you get 2 cents. And these offers will be different for everybody, okay? I don't do the zero ones because there's no sense. Register for your farmer's market guide, you get 31 cents. Let me see. There might not be any. You just have to search. If you're going to play these games, you might as well get paid for it and do it through this app. Um, you discover Google's AI impact and get rewards. You get 2 cents. Build your credit with Kovo. You get $4.99 back. Um, so there are different offers that you can do. Like I said, I do surveys, watch videos, and do some offers every single day. Let's go to the reward store. We have Amazon, we have Apple, we have Walmart, we have Albertsons, we have Container Store, you have Steam if you like to play video games, you have BitPay if you're into Bitcoin. Um, you have all of these recent activity. It shows you that they claimed $10. They claimed a $5 Amazon gift card, a $5 Amazon gift card. You can search these $1 to $5 rewards, Amazon gift cards, online games, PayPal, crypto, Bitcoin, an ACH bank transfer, Venmo. I've been using this site for years, guys. If you go back in my channel, there is several videos on Prizerebel. It's one of the first sites that I got started using because I love it. Let's go to the invite, okay? Because this is going to turn your earning potential up, okay? So if you invite friends just like I'm doing here, put the link in the description of the YouTube video, okay? You're showing people how to use this site. In return, they're going to click the link in the bio to sign up with you, okay? If you turn referrals into passive points, invite friends and level up and earn 20% of their points, okay? So my lifetime stats, I've earned $82.81 from people. I have 123 referrals and I've had 5,725 clicks. Not everybody that clicks the link is going to sign up with Prizerebel. All right. Share your link. They earn points. If you earn $10, if they earn $10, you'll earn $2. All right. So you can do that and they'll get a bonus for signing up too. There's actually, I don't know what their current bonus is, but you will be getting that. So you can see my rewards history. It's definitely gone down because I literally have only redeemed $5 last year. So previous years it was a lot more. You can see my lifetime points is $751.92. My rewards claimed is 133. My total referrals is 123, and points from referrals is 0. So that means, guys, if you get on here every single day and you make your $5, it doesn't matter what other people do. Let's go to the points history. You'll see that I literally watch videos. I try surveys. I get a bonus every month if I earn money. Like I said, I've slowed down a lot because I'm into other things now, but I still am active on this site from time to time. You can see all the things that I've done for Ascend Media and Revenue Universe, AdGate. I've done all of these, guys. So if you're interested, you can also enter raffles and contests. If you're interested in Prizerebel and what it has to offer, click the link in the description, get a bonus, sign up, make your $5 a day. Remember, the formula to make $5 a day is 6 72-cent surveys and some offers and videos. All right, you do that every single day. You treat this site like a 9-to-5 job. You get on here with your morning coffee, you do your surveys, you do offers, you refer people, and you're going to make $5 or more a day. It's super simple, and that's why I shared this tip with you. And how to get on this site is completely free. It's just going to take your time. So if you're interested in earning money to pay off debt, to buy gas, to buy groceries, to pay for subscriptions, to start a savings account, to take your kids to the movies, or anything else, sign up below. Prizerebel has changed my life, and it can yours too. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be back tomorrow with another video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe.